Which way do you want to go? Forward leads to Random Docks. Let's go. Help Cranky unload the special deliveries onto the boat. Wind the crank to lift and lower the Excellent! That's perfect! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! You've opened all the toys in this box. Where to now? Forward leads to... The Steamworks are just ahead. Time for a refreshing wash of the Steamworks. Touch the mud to wash it off. Be sure to clean it off. Great! Thanks a lot for your help. There's nothing left to unwrap. These new packs are full of new toys to open. This adventure box contains a unique engine, 9 toys to place in your train set, and a new exciting minigame. Get the Mega Bundle to add even more to your train set. Which way do you want to go? Left leads to... Left leads to... The pig... We're near the pig farm. Let's go! Left leads to... Next stop, Kid Mouse Sheds. Right leads to... Knapford Station's just ahead. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with them. Great! Great! Thanks a lot for your help.